Some stories aren't just stories, they're memories, emotions, and time itself. This isn't just any car, it's a Porsche 993 Carrera, once lost to rust, dust, and silence. Most gave up on it, but we saw a second chance. This journey isn't just about restoration, it's about bringing a forgotten legend back to life. From broken to reborn, every weld, every spark, every breath is part of its comeback. So buckle up, the story of its resurrection starts now.